Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Jade, and today we're going to discuss about CVC words with short E sound. So how does short E sounds like? It sounds like eh, like in the word bed, bed, b, e, d, bed, bed. Fed, fed, f, e, d, fed, fed. Led, led, l, e, d, led, led. Red, red, r, e, d, red, red. Wed, wed, w, e, d, wed, wed. Den, den, d, e, n, den, den. Hen, hen, h, e, n, hen, hen. Man, man, m, e, n, man, man. Pen, pen, p, e, n, pen, pen. Ten, ten, t, e, n, ten, ten. So those were just some of the examples of the CVC words that has short E sound. And now it's time for review. Bed, bed, red, red. Hen, hen, fed, fed. Wed, wed. Men, men. Ten, ten. Led, lad. Den, den. Pen, pen. Good job, everyone! I'm happy that you've learned something from me today. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more notifications. See you next time. Bye!